Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. It's so lovely to see you again. Today is a quiet, simple day, and I thought it would be nice to spend it together. We are going to do something very relaxing and useful. Today, I'm cleaning my kitchen with you. I find cleaning can be a very peaceful activity. It helps to clear my mind. While I clean, we can learn some easy English together. It will be a calm and gentle lesson. I hope you enjoy this time with me. Let's learn easy English together while I clean. If you enjoy calm English videos like this, I would be so grateful if you could support my channel. It helps me create more content for you. Please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support means so much to me. It tells me that you enjoy these simple moments we share. Thank you. Now, let's begin our quiet kitchen cleaning. The first thing I always do before I start cleaning is let in some fresh air. So, I start by opening the window. I love the feeling of a gentle breeze in the kitchen. It makes the room feel fresh and alive. The air outside is cool and clean today. I can hear the birds singing just a little. Having the window open makes the whole space feel more open and bright. I like fresh air in the kitchen. It feels like I am inviting nature inside. It is a wonderful way to start any task. The light coming in through the window is so soft and pretty. It makes the kitchen feel very welcoming. First, I clear the table. This is my little wooden dining table where I eat my breakfast. Right now, it has a few things on it from this morning. There is a book I was reading, my empty teacup, a small vase of flowers, and a little notebook. Before I can wipe the table, I need to move these things. I put things back in their place. The book goes back on the bookshelf in the living room. The teacup goes to the sink to be washed later. The notebook goes on my desk. I will leave the flowers here, as they make me happy. A clean table feels nice. It looks so much better when it is clear and empty. It makes the whole kitchen feel more organized and spacious. I love seeing the beautiful wood grain of the table without any clutter on top. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference to how I feel in the space. It feels peaceful. Next, I wash the dishes. In my sink, there are a few dishes from breakfast and last night's dinner. There is a plate, a bowl, a few spoons, and my teacup. I like to wash my dishes by hand. I find the sound of the running water very soothing. I use warm water and soap. The warm water feels nice on my hands. I add a little bit of dish soap. It smells fresh, like lemons. I love that smell. I wash slowly and carefully. I take one dish at a time. I use a soft sponge to clean away any food. I am careful not to drop anything. I enjoy the process. It is a quiet, mindful task. I focus on the feeling of the warm water and the smooth surface of the plates. As I wash each dish, I can see it becoming clean and shiny. It is very satisfying. After I wash them, I rinse them with clean water to make sure all the soap is gone. Then, I place them on a rack to dry. The kitchen already feels much cleaner with an empty sink. Now, I wipe the kitchen counter. My counters are a light color, so they show every little crumb and spill. I like to keep them very clean. I use a soft cloth and a gentle cleaning spray. The spray has a lavender scent, which is very calming. I spray a little bit on the counter and then wipe it with my cloth. I wipe in long, smooth motions. I make sure to clean the entire surface, from one end to the other. I go around the toaster and my kettle. A clean counter makes cooking easier. When the counter is clean, I feel more inspired to prepare a nice meal. It feels hygienic and fresh. There is more space to chop vegetables or mix ingredients. I like to keep it clean and dry. After wiping it with the wet cloth, I sometimes use a dry cloth to make it shine. A clean, clear counter makes my whole kitchen look brighter. It's a small detail, but it brings me a lot of joy. After that, I clean the sink. The sink can get a little bit dirty after washing dishes. There might be some soap residue or tiny bits of food left behind. So, I always give it a quick clean after I do the dishes. I use the same soft sponge, but a different side of it. I scrub the basin of the sink and around the faucet. I make sure to clean the drain as well. It doesn't take very long, just a minute or two. Then, I rinse it with water. I turn on the tap and let the water wash away all the soap and dirt. I use my hand to guide the water all around the sink. The sink looks fresh again. It is sparkling clean and shiny now. A clean sink is just as important as a clean counter. It makes the whole kitchen feel complete. I love seeing it so bright and clean. It's ready for the next time I need to use it. Then, I sweep the floor. The kitchen floor can get crumbs, dust, and little bits of things on it, especially after cooking. So, sweeping is an important final step. I have a small broom and a dustpan. I start in one corner of the kitchen and work my way across the room. I use short, gentle strokes with the broom. I move the dirt away. I gather all the dust and crumbs into a little pile. It is satisfying to see the floor getting cleaner with each sweep. I make sure to sweep under the table and near the cabinets. These are places where dust likes to hide. The kitchen feels lighter and cleaner. A clean floor makes a huge difference. The room feels bigger and more open. It feels so good to walk on a clean floor with bare feet. Once I have a pile of dirt, I carefully sweep it into my dustpan and put it in the bin. My kitchen floor looks lovely now. Cleaning helps me relax. For me, these simple chores are not stressful. They are a form of meditation. When I am cleaning, I can focus on the present moment. I pay attention to the simple actions: wiping, scrubbing, sweeping. I enjoy doing simple things. It helps me to clear my thoughts and feel calm. The world outside can be busy and loud, but in my home, I can create a space of peace. A clean and tidy home helps me to have a clean and tidy mind. I feel more organized and ready for the day. I hope that watching me clean has also made you feel a little bit more relaxed today. It's nice to find joy in the small, everyday tasks of life. It makes life feel more beautiful and meaningful. Now, let's review some English that we used today. These are simple sentences that you can use when you talk about cleaning. Here are some useful English sentences. I clean the kitchen. This is a general sentence. You can say it when you are starting to clean. Another one is, I wash the dishes. This is a very common activity. You can practice saying it next time you are at the sink. We also learned, I wipe the counter. This is what you do to clean your kitchen surfaces. You can try to make your own sentences too. For example, I open the window, or I sweep the floor. Try to use these sentences in your daily life. It will help you remember them. English is all about practice, and using it for real-life things is the best way to learn. Our kitchen is all clean now. It looks so bright and feels so fresh. I am very happy. Thank you for cleaning with me today. It was wonderful to have your company. I enjoyed sharing this quiet time with you. I hope you found it relaxing and also learned some new English words and sentences. It is always a pleasure to spend this simple time together. Tell me in the comments, do you like cleaning the kitchen? What is your favorite cleaning task? Or maybe, what is your least favorite? I would love to read your answers and learn more about you. Your comments make me feel like we are a small, friendly community. Thank you again for being here. I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful day. I will be back soon with another simple English video for you. See you in the next video. Bye.